Raytheon, a leading technology company, has unveiled its latest innovation in the area of home entertainment with the release of the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro projector, now available for pre-sale in China. This cutting-edge projector boasts an impressive array of features, making it a noteworthy addition to the market. One of the standout features of the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro is its native 1080p resolution, coupled with a remarkable brightness of 1000 ANSI lumens. This enhancement is attributed to the adoption of a novel optical machine technology, resulting in a 65% increase in brightness. While primarily developed for indoor use, the projector's substantial luminosity also makes it suitable for outdoor applications. In addition to its impressive brightness, the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro addresses key concerns related to performance and user experience. The projector incorporates a more efficient heat dissipation system, ensuring optimal temperature control and extending the lifespan of the device. Furthermore, the noise operation has been reduced by 10%, providing a quieter and more immersive viewing experience for users. Compared to its predecessor, the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro showcases substantial improvements across various parameters. In addition to the aforementioned brightness and noise reduction, the projector boasts a 15% increase in light transmittance and a notable 58% improvement in heat dissipation efficiency. The versatility of the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro is underscored by its compatibility with 4K decoding, enabling users to enjoy high-quality visuals. The projector can project images ranging from 40 inches to an expansive 120 inches, offering a customizable viewing experience. The incorporation of the PSYNER AI visual super sensing system ensures the reproduction of natural colors, while high-precision CMOS sensors, TOF sensing modules, and 6-axis multi-dimensional gyroscopes contribute to an advanced and responsive visual experience. For seamless connectivity, the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro supports wireless screencasting from computers, mobile phones, and other compatible devices. This feature enhances user convenience, allowing for effortless sharing of content. Additionally, the projector features a customized speaker system with high-fidelity sound adjustment, doubling as a Bluetooth speaker for a versatile audio experience. The Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro projector takes the home entertainment experience to a new level with its cutting-edge features and an attractive introductory price of 1,499 yuan or $209. This sleek and powerful device boasts an array of interfaces, including autofocus, DC, HDMI 2.1, USB 2.0, and a 3.5mm jack, ensuring seamless connectivity and compatibility with various devices. In summary, the Ratheon PSYNER P1 Pro projector stands as a testament to Raytheon's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. With its impressive brightness, advanced technology, and enhanced features, it is poised to deliver a superior home entertainment experience for consumers in China and beyond. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and good luck.